Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative, and I'm just getting a few things organized so that I can do a little bit of creative journaling today. I'd like to invite you to subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss any days of creative time with me. My goal is to have a relaxing and enjoyable time, not a long time, but just a little nice break in the day where you can see some creativity and some great sounds. So what I decided to do was round the corners of the journal that I had made in my last video. Hopefully you got to see that. So I decided to do this just simply because I feel like it looks a little bit more polished, and so I really made sure that I took my time and lined things up nicely. I also decided that I wanted to have little pockets on the front and the back side of this journal, and I used some leftover paper that I used to make the cover, and I used that same corner punch to do opposite corners. And then so when I glue it in, it matches to the cover, and then it's easier to put papers and whatever in those little pockets. They tend to not catch as easily when the corners are rounded, I find. So right now I'm just adding the date to that piece of paper, and I stamped a piece of vellum with a clock. And I'm putting those two elements together to create my first element for the page. Here I'm just ripping a piece of coffee stained book page, and I'm using the glue tape to glue it into place. I also clipped the corner of that page as well, just to make sure everything kind of goes together nicely and it has a nice aesthetic. So I found a really nice picture of a winter scene because it happened to be snowing the day that I made this. So this is a page that I created, and it's just, it says thankful, and I just wrote down some things that I'm thankful for on this page. And putting that down with some nice washi tape. That brown piece in the bottom corner, it is a set of words that I put together, sort of inspirational words like dictionary pages. So the words, how you say them and the meaning. And today's word was hope. Right here I'm just adding another strip of coffee dyed book page to the bottom corner because the next piece that I'm putting down, I want it to kind of stand out a little bit and not get lost because it is actually see-through. And it is a quote by Audrey Hepburn that says, "Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible." I thought that was kind of uplifting. Adding more washi. Just added a sticker that I made with some other little things that I wanted to remember about this day. And then it's sort of hidden by those two elements. I'm coming close to the end of the video, and I just would love to say thank you to you for your time today. Have a great one.